In this video, you will learn how to install the Go device in Tesla Model S and Model X electric vehicles. You will need the following items from your SmartCharge installation package. Make a note of your Go device's serial number for future reference. Unclip the storage tray from below the center touchscreen by pressing down with both palms on the inside of the compartment. Press until the clips holding the tray in place release. You will need to apply some force to unclip the tray, but rest assured it's designed to be pulled down. For Tesla models made in 2016 or later, the tray will easily slide out after it has been unclipped. Reach in and find the Tesla diagnostic connector tucked against the back wall. Pull it towards yourself and plug the vehicle interface cable into the open end of the diagnostic connector. Connect the vehicle interface cable to the port on the Go device. Once the device is installed, you will hear 6 quick beeps. Then the device will blink red, green, and blue and beep twice every minute. Then secure the connection with the cable tie provided. Trim any excess tie. When the configuration is complete, the device will emit 10 quick beeps. Tuck the Go device and vehicle interface cable back into the area behind the storage compartment. Place the Go device into the space on the left side of the compartment and tuck the cables downwards until you no longer see them. Slide the tray all the way back into the open compartment until it's aligned with the touchscreen. If you cannot slide it all the way back, remove the tray and tuck the cables and Go device further back into the compartment, then try again. Once the tray is realigned, press up on the inside of the tray to reattach the clips. The installation is now complete.